Jira part, we have seen like how to create a Scrum project. Okay. But this part generally will be created by Scrum Master. So you don't need to worry, but yeah, process wise, if you know, that is well and good. Now, once like your Scrum will start, okay. So you will get board like this, and there in backlog, you will able to see all the sprints. Okay, so sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3. And you can see here, we have a sprint of 2 weeks. Okay. So again, it vary from project to project. Okay. Some project has 1 week sprint, some has 2 week, and some has 3 week. Okay. So there is no like fixed number of days for the sprint. It depends on project for how many weeks they want to keep this sprint. Okay. And whenever particular day will come, like 3rd of Feb, so you can see sprint started. Okay. And in this sprint, we have one story. Okay. Ideally, there will be multiple story. Few story will be for development, few story will be for testing, few story will be for like other team. Let's say Salesforce team is there. Let's say database team is there. And business will also put some story where they will give you business walkthrough for coming sprint. Okay. Let's say this is sprint 1. So you are developing the registration API. So in same sprint, business will give walkthrough of login API or reset credential API. Okay, it's not like they will give all the walkthrough in one time. They will also divide their work on their different sprint. So let's say this sprint, they are giving walkthrough of like registration API. Or not registration. This sprint, they are giving walkthrough of reset credential functionality. Okay. So based on that, like API lead, whoever API lead will be there. So he will create a story for next sprint for that particular functionality. So now once a sprint started, developer got this story. So as a developer, what all things you need to do? So first thing, so here you can see story point. Okay. So sometime this story point will be given by your lead also, and sometime they will ask you to provide. And this story point will be based on the complexity of the API. Okay. So still, like I have seen many places, people are considering it as a mandate only. Okay. But if you go for actual agile, okay, actually no one follow the 100% of agile. So if you will go for many project, they will have this mandate. Okay. If you give one story point, they will consider it to one mandate. But in actual, story point is not telling about the mandate, it tells about the complexity of the API. Okay. So if there is, let's say there is one story with 3 story point. Let's say we have development of one API, system API. Okay. If anyone like having, if anyone having 7 to 8 years of experience, he can do same system API in 1 day or 1.5 days. Okay. At same place, if new joiner will come, okay, then he might take 1 week also, 5 days, 6 days also. If any like moderate like level, you can say 3-4 years of experience, people will come, he will take 3 days to complete it. Okay. So same task is there, same complexity is there, but based on the person who is developing this, taking different number of mandates. Okay, so you cannot give mandates for any task. We should give complexity. Okay, for same complexity, you might take one mandate, three mandates, five mandates. Correct. So that is story point. And this story point is like we follow Fabonico series. Okay. So you can like that is 1, 3, 5, 8, 13 like that. Okay. Generally, Ramal and all like that should be maximum one, or in Fabonico series, I think two will also come. Yeah, we are using two. I'm not sure that if that comes or not. So yeah, uh, like from my point of view, one or two story point will be good enough in case of Ramal. If you are getting a small, simple development or enhancement activity, three story point will be good enough. If you are getting complex API development, then five story point. If you are getting very complex API development, then eight story point. Okay, like that you can give. Now coming to another part. So whenever you want like this Ramal task is assigned to you, but in description you can see there's no much detail. Okay, you want to have more detail. So let's say you can comment here. Okay, I'm doing this thing on behalf of the developer. Like let's say I'm doing on behalf of Krisnanudas. Sorry, Krisanudas. Okay, so what I will mention. So who is assignee for this? Assignee is like I am assignee. This is my ID. But let me comment on behalf of Krisanu. So at the rate of so he assigned you task, but like there is no much detail. Okay, so you can put like this, or if you want to CC someone like your manager or lead, if there is no other team member. Yesterday I asked one more person to join this. Okay, no worry. So you can CC someone if you want. Okay, and then click on save. So you can see this comment got created, and this will be notified by email also to all the people who all are involved in the assignee part or in comment part. So everyone will get notification. This is
Sir, in assignees console, how it will look like?
okay. Maybe Krishnanu, are you there? Krishnanu? Okay. Look wise, it will be very similar. There will not be much difference. Okay, you can say 100% similar will be there.
Okay,
Maybe
sir.
yesterday I accepted. Got any? Yesterday I got a mail from you in Gmail. I accepted.
But I cannot see in this organization.
Means like a subject admin invited to join the in Jira software. I share my screen. See here. See here showing SP Sprint 1 ABC. Are you able to see the screen right now?
Yes, yes. Yeah. Open this one.
See here Krishna Das.
Okay, you cannot see SB is there. Okay. Okay, click on this rammer design.
Okay. Please provide the API detail or functional design document. Let's know you wrote
Okay.
the comment.
Hmm, okay, you have all the access, but your name is not coming in organization. Why it's
Developer watching this issue. It's showing, but in your Jira it's not showing.
yeah. Okay, let it be for now.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
So
you can
who are
see like
watchers?
from developer view, it will be very similar to my view. Okay, how Satish was watching, that will be developer view and it will be similar only. There will not be any change. Yeah, let
Their
me see.
ad watcher option was there.
Let me see first. Which option you are saying?
Ad watcher. This eye kind of symbol is there, na? Beside log symbol.
Which one you are saying?
In the right
Yeah.
side is watch I. Yes, yes. Ad watcher.
His name is not coming now. So this is not coming. Oh, now it's coming.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. So here now you can see we have one option where we have multiple things like to do, in progress, done. Okay. Generally, there will be more steps here. Okay. Let's say to do, sorry, to do, review, testing, then
On hold.
deployment.
On hold.
Yeah, on hold also. Yeah, you can say blocked, not on hold. Like you can put blocked. Okay. Then done.
So this
Like that,
it
like
can be
that. There will,
modified.
sorry.
It can be modified. Like currently it is showing to do in progress and done.
Yes, yes. Yeah. So based on your activity on your study, you need to keep changing this. So
How
right
we
now,
will
what?
do modify?
Yeah, yeah, I'm saying. So right now, what we will do, we will start the development. So at this moment, it's to do. So we will change this to in progress. Now you can see status got changed to in progress. Then after a few days, once you will complete the development, you will move it for code review. Once code review will be done, you will move it to deployment. Okay. Once deployment will be done, you will move it for testing. Then testing team will take that story, they will start the testing. And once everything will be done, they will mark it as a done. Okay. Then, okay, release wise, like you can add it's connected with which release and all. Let's see. So in configuration part, if you want to add something additional, like hours of, like how many hour you already worked there. Okay, so that kind of thing you can add. So that should be available somewhere. It should be timestamp. So you can some like modification, you can add more detail. Okay, so here just now we added planned and plan start, when you are starting this, when you are ending this. Okay, that kind of logging you can do. Implementation plan. Okay, this part I'm not sure, I'm not using log time. One for logging the, like how much hour you completed, how many are pending. For that we have one option that I can see. Okay,
Is
you
that
can add severity also, like how, what is the priority of this. So that also you can add. One option was there, log hours, that I cannot see. That is also very much useful.
so? Will it be timestamp, Ravi? I think I saw that.
Timestamp, not sure. Let's see. Okay, yeah, like that. If you will get, you can add there. So like that, you can update story and you can put everything. So let's say you want to link something. Okay. Previously there was no related story, but now we have related story. So if you want to link, then again you can go here and you can give the region, what, for which region you are linking this. It's a related, duplicate, or clone, what region you are linking. So you can provide this. Okay. And the other thing, comment and all, I already mentioned. If you want to check who and what change they did here, so you can go in history and you can see everything here. Okay, so this part, hope we are good. Okay, so this part we are good. Now we will move for Confluence. If anyone has any question, you can ask quickly.
Maybe means if you done the task, when we need to status has done like that, need to change the instead of in progress like that.
Okay, yeah, once you will complete. So here we don't have much workflow. Okay, so you can customize it and you can add more. But generally, what we do in our project, after in progress, we change the status for testing, like a review. Once review will be done, then it will be deployment. Once deployment will be done, we will mark it for testing. Then testing team will take that story and they will do testing from their side as IT testing, and then they will change status to done.
And sir,
Is it? Yes.
here nothing is like code and all. This all is theoretical only. Code will be like ex- executed and treated in the Git. Here only this theoretical part will run. Like what is the process of of the project and how things are working. What are the issue errors are there.
This is tool to manage our project.
Okay, no coding and no,
No, no, this
nothing is
is
here.
not Mulesoft. This is
No,
Jira
sir.
ticket.
I'm
Yeah, this
in
is,
Git like
yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
in Git we are like code will be on Git only. Here we will only review the project theoretically.
And see, you can manage the project
Ah,
and
that's what
everyone
I'm
will
saying.
get notification what is going on with your project.
Yes, yes.
Means here showing only to do done. Like, if you want to add more, how to add?
Okay, okay, just give me 1 minute. I'm back. Okay. So any other question on Git part, or should we go for Confluence?
Ravi, one more thing. In the Git, how to add means remaining only in progress done is there, right?
Sorry, Sri?
Means in the Git, we are showing only in progress and done. Means just now you show multiple steps. How to add those?
In progress and done. Okay. That. So you can change here. You can go to done. Just select it. This will change.
Okay. Means if you
No, you
need to add more things,
Sorry, what? Sorry, I'm not getting.
means just
here
now
you
you
here you told us, sir, instead of these three options, we can add many options. So how we
yeah.
can add?
Yeah, that you can explore. Okay, just explore on internet. So there is workflow. I think workflow you can go and you can update. Just give me one more minute. Okay. So in the workflow part, issue type, add issue type, you can see here and you can add here. You can see these are the issue type at this moment. Okay, no, this is epic bug and all. This is not workflow, sorry. Somewhere you can edit workflow. To do in progress, done is there. Okay, you can add whatever you want. Okay, but I will not spend time here. So you can explore and you can add. Okay, now we'll move for Confluence part. So Git part, hope everyone clear. Okay, so like 90% things are there. Maybe 10% thing you will learn the time of when you will start the project. Now coming to Confluence. Okay, I need two email address. I think same we can use. Maybe Krisanu and Satish, you can provide your email address.
Okay.
Once I will request you, accept that invitation and join this. Okay, accept it and let me know once you are ready.
Okay. Ravi, I got a mail from the Jira SP1 Ramal design only. Done
Okay. From
progress that.
Atlassian, you haven't received.
No.
Check now.
Okay. No, Ravi. Same thing.
You have got check in spam mail.
Okay. In spam, spam also not getting. Krishna, can you check your end?
One has received.
No, Ravi, no.
Check now and let me know. One has received.
No, Ravi.
No, no.
Give me a new email address. Let me see what is the problem. It's saying we have sent email, everyone confirming. Check your spam mail and all. Should be there.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
I I didn't know that we have a meeting today. Are you working on Jira or?
Yes, yes. Jira part is completed now. We are
Okay.
working. We started Confluence.
Okay. So
Check
still
spam mail na.
software.
Check
Huh?
spam mail. What about Pisanu?
No, I also didn't receive it.
Some new email ID. Let me try with that. Ideally, it should. It's already. One more email ID. This one of you have already joined. Can you go to Confluence? Go here in this and go to Confluence in your. It looks like one person has already joined. Vishnu, check your email.
Yes, Ravi, checking. Mm, no alert. Yes, I got accept invite.
Yes.
Okay, I logged in, Ravi. I've accepted.
So still, Prisanu and Satish, you haven't received?
So I think they should see in all mail instead of inbox. We will be having an option for all mail, right? All mails.
Yes.
So in that all mail, it is available.
Only got a mail from Ramal, he got a mail like Ramal design for registration API. Is this the one or?
Keep on refreshing your Gmail.
Yeah, doing that only.
Okay. Once you people join, let me know. Then we'll start the. Or maybe if existing people don't have, then maybe we can connect new people. So Vishnu, you already got. Okay. Otherwise, let's go with Vishnu only. So Vishnu, are you? Let me create one. This is must be your account only, so we cannot add you. So you are already here. Okay, fine. So let's continue. So first thing in Confluence, you can see in left hand side we have many things. Okay. So we created this project, developer project.
Ravi, your screen
Can you
is
share your screen? Your screen is not.
Okay. So you can see my screen now.
yes.
Yes, sir.
So here in left hand side, you can see we have multiple options. Okay. In those options, we have like content. Okay. In content, once you will click on plus. So here you will give name of this page. So let's say in same organization, there are multiple teams. So one each API team. Publish it. So what I did in Confluence, one folder I created for API team. Same way we'll create for Salesforce team or data team. We have API team, we have data team. Inside API team, now I want to create more folders.
Sir, what is the purpose of Confluence?
Sorry.
Why we use Confluence? Like, what is the purpose behind Confluence?
Yeah, Confluence is shared repository for all the documentation purpose. In your organization, there will be many documentation, and those documentation should be stored in some shared location so everyone can access. Correct? So
Yes,
for
but
that
in
purpose,
Git also we are doing same thing.
yeah, Git is a place where you can, like, that is shared repository for code. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But this is the shared repository for document. You will see what kind of advantage we have here. Okay, I will explain soon. So when you will work in a project, generally what kind of detail you will share with each other? That will be functional design document, some documents related to API standard and project standard. There will be some credential like credential for database. Everyone need to know, like on lower environment, not higher environment. But for lower environment, everyone in the team need to know what is the database username, password. If we are connecting with Salesforce, then what all details you need. So if you will put it individually, then it will be difficult. Like every time other people need and they will connect with related team, that will create burden for them. So instead of that, what we can do, like we can store in common place. Whenever someone wants, they can take from there. Please make sure if it is very sensitive one, then yeah, then you should not make it public, or public means public within organization, then you should not make. Let's say production detail. So that only related person only need to know what is the production related. Sorry, what is production related credential are there? Okay. But generally, like functional design document, technical design document, everyone need to know in entire team. Okay. So what I will do, let me create one functional design document here. So again, we'll click on plus. And instead of creating it from scratch, there should be an import option. Let me quickly check.
I think I got it and accepted it. Yeah.
Sorry.
I got the mail. I accepted the. Right.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So this is our one functional design document. Okay. Which I had already. I just imported here. So like that. So inside this functional design document folder, you will have many documents. At this moment, it's in draft since I haven't published it. Okay, now Vishnu and other people, can you try to come to the same page? This one, claim process functional design document.
Okay. So I don't have this content API team and all this.
Others cannot see Vishnu or Satish. Anyone? Can you share your screen? Anyone, Vishnu or Satish?
Actually, I didn't get any mail.
I'm sharing, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, I've shared. Can you see my screen?
In left hand side, API team is there now. Yeah, open functional design document. Oh no, wait. Extend, yes. Now click on this one.
Which one?
Claim process.
Okay.
So you can see what document I am creating, I am updating. As a team member, he is also able to see everything. Okay, now stay here only. At the same time, we both can do change also. Okay, and we both will get notified also. Okay, go to top of your page.
Mm.
Okay, so here click on edit. On top you can see.
Yes.
So first on very top you can see we both are working, VC and D. Okay, two people are working. Okay, second thing, let's say let me try to do some modification. Then you will get notified. Okay, I am doing some modification. Okay, so after functional I kept some space, but ideally it should show I am also working on this. Okay, can you click on this claim process?
Where is it?
There. Claim process functional.
Yes, yes.
Click on that. No, below that. Bold one, bold letter.
This one.
Program
There,
claim process.
just below that. Claim process functional design documentation. Yeah, click on
This
that.
one.
Yes.
I clicked it.
First click on edit. I think you haven't clicked on edit. Yeah, now click on this claim process function. Not there, below one.
Mm.
Here only. Okay, but it's not showing like we both are working. Ideally, okay, scroll down a bit and go to document instruction. Yeah, now you can see here in document instruction, in between document and instruction, my name is coming, D is coming. Okay, in between document and instruction, D is coming. Scroll a bit up. Vishnu, you need to focus what I am saying. Scroll a bit up. Yeah. So you can see my name D is coming since I am doing some modification there. So at the same time, we people can work together. Okay. And we will get notified also who is working and what is doing. Okay. So this Confluence will provide you one shared repository for documentation where you can put all the common documents like functional design document, technical design document, API standard document. Okay, like whatever required for the project. Okay, and then that will be shared or used across the team. Okay, who should have the access. Okay, so hope everyone good on this part. Everyone clear with this Confluence?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can stop sharing your screen.
Okay.
Okay, so like including this, I think we are good with the software setup, what we need to know at this moment. There are a few pending software setup are there, but that we will do at the time of project only. Okay, those setup we cannot do like Jenkins setup. So that we will do at the time of like when we will start the CI/CD pipeline. Part of that, let me quickly check, do we have anything extra? If not, then we are good with all the setup and everything. So now we are
Okay.
waiting for like
Ravi, yesterday, Ravi,
yes.
one doubt. Yesterday, I created the Salesforce means account. In the object manager, it default one object is created, custom object. Means I try to create the new object, but it's not allowed. It's showing like that already your limit is over to create the
So,
custom object like that.
sorry.
Means yesterday I created the Salesforce account. I tried to created the custom object,
Hmm.
but already one default custom object is there in that object manager knowledge name with name knowledge. But if I try to create the new object, it's showing like that already your limit is over for the create the custom object. Getting one message.
Okay, I'm not sure
Shall I
on this
share
part.
the screen?
Yeah, on
See,
this part maybe they have changed their policy and all, and now they are limiting for one custom object only. But previously, when I have my account, I used to do unlimited one. There was no such
see,
restriction.
see, I share my screen. See here, knowledge underscore KAV custom object means if want to create the custom object here, new custom object like thing.
Put some other name, na demo I already taken.
Okay. See, custom object limit is exceeded. You have exceeded the maximum number of custom object allowed to your organization.
Okay,
Means div
try to
means
create
here
new account. Just create new account using same email address.
I created a new one more also, but that is also same thing happen. Means I log out and I use one more account. Here, this one. We are going to advanced setup, right, Ravi? Means if you want to go to the setup.
See this part, even I am not sure. Okay, what what change they have done in their policy part. So here only
Mhm.
my suggestion will be you need to create one fresh scratch account. Then only you will able to create. And if you have more query, then you can connect with Salesforce support team, or just Google it, like why they are not allowing you to create new account.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Usually means yesterday I tried to create the I created the new one also, but same thing happened. Means already one custom object has created, but he's not allowed to create the new one. That's the thing in the new version.
Not sure like what change they have done in their policy. Previously they were allowing. Now maybe you can check their policy or just Google it. How many objects they can allow.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay then. So let me share my screen. Like other setup is Splunk, Jenkins, Secure Property Tool Jar. So these setups like we need at the time of development only. Okay, so we'll not do now. And coming to the actual project part, so far we were learning what all related tool technology are required for Mulesoft project. Okay, and we have already completed that part. So now we will start the actual Mulesoft project part that will be starting from requirement gathering. Okay, so we'll start in next class only. So from next Saturday, you people need to have some basic understanding of MuleSoft. Okay, so that part, whatever like you have learned so far, do all the practice and revision, especially on RAML part, like basic RAML part. Advanced part I will take with this project, but basic RAML part you should have good understanding. And we will start from functional design document first, where I will explain the requirement of the project. I will explain all the API and then we will start the development. Okay. So
And Ravi, meanwhile, can you share some means interview questions like that?